Off the Grid campers, we're inside the camper in this video to show you the operation of the Erbesbacher Airtronic diesel heater. Hopefully I pronounced that correctly and the German people are not going to post negative comments, but it is an extremely good brand, I'll say that, so that'll keep them happy, if not one of the best. And we want the best gear in this camper, so this is the control for it here, the control interface. You need to make sure it's turned on outside where the 12-volt mains buttons are. You've seen them in the kitchen, the red buttons. There's one called heater, and it turns this on. And so it's got power to it. And first things first, if for some reason it's in another language like German or Spanish and you want to change it, there is a little bit of a trick to it. So you need to turn to the cog and then push into the round button there. That's sort of like the OK button, and then hold the back button down. And what that will do is take you into a programming mode in the workshop, and then you've got the language. That's how you get in to change the language, which is on English, so we're all good. We'll hit the back, go back to the main setting, use the dial to go to the heater. The heater is like the 3 heat lines coming up, and then if you push the middle button you can change the temperature. So this is set and forget. You put it on the temperature you want. It's getting quite cool, so we're going to maybe put it on 28 degrees. We're not going to run it for all night. You end up cooking yourself. So hit that. Then it automatically goes to how long do you want to turn it on for. Maybe we want to run it for an hour. And you can also adjust this after you've set it. So let's say we want to run it for 60 minutes, get it nice and toasty, and then maybe come back in after dinner and you're all set. So then hit the middle button. Okay, then showing you the temperature here, and it's going to start turning on. Now it does take a little while to get going, but you'll hear it wind up. Sounds a little bit like a jet engine, but the Erbesbacher is very quiet compared to a lot of diesel heaters. And so once it gets up to temperature, it does sort of, the noise does come back down. There's the port there that the hot air comes out of, and of course hot air rises, so having it down low is a good position, and it comes up and heats the interior. When it's finished its cycle, so when it gets to the end of the hour, it will still keep running because it's still very, very hot internally. So don't go and turn it off or cut power to it. Let it actually wind all the way back down. I can hear it outside starting up now. And once it's completely powered down and it's cooled itself off, then you can turn the power off outside to it. So that's it. That's how you use the diesel heater in our campers. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.